Today, we'll tackle the issue of having no sound on WhatsApp status on your iPhone. Let's jump right in and troubleshoot this together. Step 1. Check your device volume. First things first, ensure that the volume on your device is turned up. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to access the control center. From there, adjust the volume to the maximum level. Also, make sure that the silent mode is not enabled on your device. Step 2. Update WhatsApp. Next, head over to the App Store on your iPhone. Search for the WhatsApp app and make sure you're using the latest version. If an update is available, tap on the update option to ensure you have the most recent version installed. Step 3. Close background apps. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen to access the app switcher. Close all the running apps to ensure there are no conflicts causing the sound issue. Step 4. Test WhatsApp. Now, reopen WhatsApp and check if the sound issue on WhatsApp status has been resolved. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the problem of having no sound on WhatsApp status